Imagine a world where your daily routines hold the key to transformation. The Power of Habit by Charles Duhigg unveils the science behind why we do what we do and how habits shape our lives and businesses. Duhigg introduces the habit loop, a powerful concept at the heart of every habit. It starts with a cue, a trigger that launches us into a routine, which then leads to a reward. Understanding this loop is the first step towards changing our habits. Through engaging stories, from how a habitual coffee drinker became an exercise enthusiast to how an organization transformed its culture, Duhigg shows how understanding the habit loop can lead to significant changes in personal and professional lives. Duhigg presents the golden rule of habit change. Keep the same cue and reward, but change the routine. This rule is key for modifying habits, offering a blueprint for individuals and organizations to transform their ingrained patterns. Duhigg explores how crises can become opportunities for habit change. In moments of upheaval, when old habits are unseated, there's a unique chance to replace them with positive, more productive ones. Duhigg then shifts focus to organizations, illustrating how they are merely collections of habits. By altering these habits, companies can increase efficiency, improve culture, and achieve remarkable transformations. A pivotal element Duhigg discusses is belief. Changing a habit often requires believing that change is possible. This belief becomes especially crucial during tough times, when old habits are hardest to break. Key takeaway 1. Small changes in habits can lead to significant life transformations. Key takeaway 2. Awareness of the habit loop and belief in change are foundational for personal and organizational growth. The Power of Habit isn't just a book, it's a roadmap to transformation. Duhigg's insights empower us to reshape our habits, redefine our lives, and steer our businesses towards success. It teaches us that the power to change is within our grasp.